If you want to take a photo of moon on POCO F8 Pro or POCO F8 Ultra, then all you have to do is want to go to the photo, and if you actually have the night mode activated, so let me actually move the phone a little bit so that we can make it fully dark, so the night mode will be activated. There we go. Over here we can see that we have this moon, and if we now zoom in using 20x or more, then we should be able to capture the photo of moon quite easily. You might also need to enable the ultra zoom over here just in case, and also in the camera settings in AI recommendations we can see that we have the super moon option, which can be, of course, well, not maybe it just can be, but it is recommended to use it. So in here we can read that we can automatically turn on supermoon when zooming beyond 20x for clear details. So if you point at moon at night with this setup, you should be able to capture a photo of moon. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.